opening with these packs, playoff packs mostly. A little bit of other packs too, but let's do pro packs. They did get pro packs got juiced, I believe. So now there will be better stuff in pro packs than before. I believe they're all golds, so that's good. I like that. Yep, they're all golds now. Let's see the premium pack. Did it get boosted up? Let's see if it did. It did. Jaren Jackson 80 overall, not bad. Let me do these packs now. Western Conference packs. We want to get the best player we could possibly. And right now, we want an 85 or 88 overall in any of these packs. Let's just do our last premium pack and the other packs before we do this pack, because it's a pretty hard pack. Ooh, 80 and 79 overall. Let's do the monthly master pack and the other. Let's do the loot or bust pack. We get 500 bounty points. Let's save that position pack for outside of the video, and let's do the monthly master silver. $78 overall Rudy Gay. That can be helpful for our promo right now, as it is hard. I don't know if I'll be able to get MB, but I'll be able to get around 3 masters as we get Eric Gordon, 85 overall. That's a pretty good card right there. We need all of the 85s we can get and the 88 overalls. We get 79 Seth Curry. Let's see what we get next. Eric Gordon. Maybe we can get another 85 overall version of him, or maybe not. 79 Jalen Brunson. Alright. Let's see what we get next. $76 Mikal. Alright, those are not as good as the cards, but we can at least use those to get points in the milestones. I haven't been doing that set for a while. Ooh, 85 overall Landry Shamet. That's a pretty good card. And we get some cash. Let's go. That's the good stuff. Cash is always great, you know. 85 Landry again. Let's go. That's 3. I just need 6 Western Conference 85 overalls to get. Let's do a power forward pack to get the. I need 6, and I already got 3. We have a ton more packs to have a chance to get 85 or 80. We want more 85 sold than 88, because 88 is really, we just need 188 overall, so we don't really need any of these. But we want 3 more so I can get the other master. So right now I have 1 master only. I am 85 overall Michael Porter Jr. Let's go. I have an 88 overall. 4 of them. I just need that last one, and I have 4 of them already. 485s. We get we do get Michael Porter Jr., but just not the correct version. Soon I'll be making some more NBA Live Mode videos. I know I've been making NBA videos recently. That's because I didn't have any good NBA Live Mode ideas, and I was saving up for this pack opening. I will have another pack opening coming soon with another account. But yeah. 88 Aaron Gordon. Now, I don't know if I need that, because Aaron Gordon, I think I already have Aaron. I can check. 85 Aaron Gordon. That's a great pull. We're getting so many 10% chances. We have 5 of these. We just need 1 more. And we don't have Aaron Gordon. Alright. So now we just need 2 masters from the East. So the West is finished. We are finished with the West. It's going to be really hard to get the players from the East. But we already have 1 master in Jalen Brunson. And we don't really need to open those Western packs. I would just open it out of the different 85 Jalen Brunson. Now, we do need as many 85s as we can. We're having crazy 85 pulls. 77 laws. Opening these packs packs as fast as I can because like I don't want to make this video too long. But bang, 80 Stephon Marbury. All right. So that's why I'm not opening all the Western because we already have the Aaron Gordon, which we need. I was so lucky. But and we can get another 88. Like, ooh, Luka Doncic. I guess I can use the other play. Now I just focus on the East now. I don't need to focus anything on the West anymore. On Harper. Let's see this. Let's see what we get in this. 80 overall Shawn Marion. All right, let's do a power small forward packs. As I'm recording this, the Sixers have swept. As we get 80, Sixers have swept the Nets, and they are advancing to the second round. 82 Sadiq Bey, and again, this is not what we want. We want 85 or 88 overalls. Because we need any 88 overall we can get besides Brunson, but we already opened all Brunson. So 88 overall, Grayson Allen. I might be able to get Embiid now. If we pull like 85, more 85 overalls, I might be able to get Embiid, which is a W, which is a huge W. We need Embiid right now. Our center is Gary Payton at 96 overall. Gary Payton is so short, so probably it's very bad in AI when we're playing like showdown or league or tournaments, but we're not really getting anything else. That Grayson Allen does help, but you know, like we need more 85s or 88. I will take both because right now Niang, we need some Niang, so we have around a little bit more packs. So let's see if we can get Jared Allen really quick. 85, 80. So we pull, I think, 185. 82 Patrick Ewing. We pull only 185, which is not good at all. And 188. You saw last time we pulled like 588. 5s and 188. We want that. Right now we're not pulling anything, which is pretty bad. We only have like 10 packs left. I mean, I would take one more 88 overall. Just one more. If we can get one more. If we can even get an 85 overall, I'll take that. Because right now, we barely have any packs left, but we haven't been pulling anything, so that's kind of weird. Let's see if we can pull an 88 overall. Come on. Like in the West. 81 Malone. We pull like a ton of Moses Malones. Ready. Okay. Okay. We are not pulling anything really. Alright, come on, man. We should be pulling at least one player. We have not pulled. We are in a really cold streak right now. Yeah, I don't think we're going to pull another player. I do not think we're going to pull another player. Yeah, and the last one. I'll close my eyes. 3, 2, 1. Bang. Yeah, we didn't pull another player, but that's basically it. Thank you guys for watching. We're out.